Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chicken zinger at home. First, you'll want to prepare your chicken. Use boneless, skinless pieces, cut to about 1 inch thick, and marinate them for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for infusing flavor. While the chicken marinates, mix your seasoned flour with spices like paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This forms the crispy coating. Now, let's get that perfect crispy coating. Take each marinated chicken piece, dip it into an egg wash, and then generously coat it in your seasoned flour mixture. Make sure every part is covered for maximum crunch. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the breaded chicken into the hot oil and fry until it's golden brown and cooked through, usually about 6 to 8 minutes per side. Don't overcrowd the pan. The Zinger sauce is key to this burger's flavor. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, your favorite hot sauce, and a touch of honey for a sweet and spicy kick. Mix it well until smooth. Next, lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a nice texture and prevents them from getting soggy. To assemble, spread a generous amount of Zinger sauce on both bun halves, add fresh lettuce, your crispy fried chicken, and top with the other bun. Simple and delicious. There you have it, a fantastic homemade chicken Zinger burger. Serve it immediately to enjoy that perfect crispiness and warmth. It pairs wonderfully with a side of crispy fries or a fresh, vibrant salad for a complete and satisfying meal. This recipe is perfect for a fun dinner or a weekend treat. Remember, you can always adjust the spice level of your sauce to your liking. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those handy leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.